Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vikas Singh Thakur. This is lecture 4 of this video series, and sorry for being late again. And here we are going to build our first project. If you have never built any of this project, then this could be your first project that you are going to build. And this exact project is going to give you 10 extra project that I am going to show you how exactly you can build those. And they are not going to be some line follower or obstacle avoidance based project. I understand those are fundamental and very basic, but you can just check out other YouTube channel. There are a ton of different videos based on this, but we are going to touch the real side of robotics, that is computer vision, obstacle avoidance, media pipe, OpenCV, and this concept are really important to understand. So we are going to implement all of these concepts on top of this chassis, and I want you to have all these electronics component on top of this, like microcontroller, like ESP32, L2, 89N, that is motor driver, basic lithium ion cells here, and a BO motor. So these are things that you require. Here, the chassis is not the compulsory part. You can use cardboard or other, styrofoam or something, other, solid materials to build this is exact chassis. But I suggest if you can afford this, then do try to buy this chassis. This is not very costly. And this is exactly how you can start, investing in your real projects and start learning something that is very actually important or implementable. And along with these, there are some different tools like soldering iron, multimeter, and a screwdriver set. These are something that you require to build this entire thing. And this is exactly how you can start building your workspace, building your work tools, and collecting different components for your further or future project. So this is exactly how I also started collecting different components and tools around. Let me show you what are the components that you require and how you can assemble all the chassis here, and what are the different tools and components that you require to build this. It can afford it to try to buy this chassis is about very firstly, and with so once you build this entire chassis, because ordering all of this component and getting and building this would take little bit of time. Till then I will be uploading all of those application part, or how you can implement other computer vision and all of those concepts video already on this channel. And once you complete this entire project, you will be finding a lot of different videos on this exact channel in this playlist. And I will try to upload all of those, in a continuous way. This is, right now not functioning or not working at all. But by the next video, you will be having this robot controlled with the Wi-Fi. And in further, we are going to use computer vision. We are going to see the basics of Python, how you can program it, how you can control it wirelessly through your laptop. So by the next lecture, I require you to have a laptop with a bare minimum of compute. That's okay, because I don't require very high compute, high computation system for you to implement all the concept that is going to upcoming in this lecture or video series. So once you complete this and you have the requirements, we are ready to go to the next lecture. And we are going to control this robot. Right now this is bare robot, and by the next video we are going to control it using our laptop or computer. And we are going to see different concept related to it, and we are going to cover a lot of different application parts. So this is all about this video. See you on the next video. Till then, bye.